If you don't know, I recently moved to the island of Puerto Rico, and I'm standing here by the ocean in Luquillo, which is on the northeast side of the island. And I'm actually gonna meet with one of my followers here on YouTube who moved here to the island from watching my videos, and he's rehabbing a house, and we're gonna go check it out.
For a limited time, you can get a free copy of Jerry Norton's Virtual Flipper Kit with everything you need to flip houses without seeing them in person. Download it now at virtualflipperkit.com.
So I'm here with Anthony in front of his shop right here. ¿Cómo se dice? Teulu? Teulu Nutrition. They make all kinds of nutritional drinks and shakes, and he just came out here and gave me this. What is this?
Estos son snacks, como si fueran waffles.
Waffle. ¿De qué tipo?
Vainilla, canela.
Okay, with cinnamon?
And
cinnamon
vanilla.
and what?
Vanilla.
Cinnamon and vanilla. All right. That was good. So what's cool here is David is from the Dominican Republic.
Yes, sir.
He's here in Puerto Rico. Live in Florida?
Georgia.
Georgia,
ATL.
okay. Okay, so you're all over.
Yeah.
But one of his ideas here in Puerto Rico is you gotta get here and you gotta make friends, right? And you gotta build.
You have to build rapport.
Build
you have to
rapport.
build
It's all about
community,
relationships.
Relationship.
Like you were just telling me here, you're doing this remodel right now,
Yeah.
and the nail shop here, the nail salon, is sharing power with you so that you can do your rehab.
Exactly.
And they don't have to do that.
They don't have to. They don't have to. Well, you know, it's a beautiful thing when you can share relationships. And it's in turn, it's only money. I mean, it's
Yeah.
a transaction, but they look out for you.
And I was just walking on this street, David, and I think I saw 3 or 4 rehabs going on. Now there's still a ton to do.
All the time.
Why is this area so depressed? It's turning, but what happened here? Because the beach is right there, and it's an
beach is right
amazing
there.
beach.
One of the key things people don't know is we have Ceiba close by, which was the military training.
Yeah.
So that drew away because they used to throw bombs. People didn't, it wasn't a really favorable spot, but now that place has been gone. Now this is being restructured, so this is the tourist spot. I mean,
Yeah,
the
and the
golf
beaches
courses
are here, so people are starting to come. I mean, we go to La Pared Beach to do surf lessons with my kids.
Yeah.
And you're starting to see some of those commercial shops get fixed up again.
Yeah.
But this got decimated with Maria, right?
Correct. It
Yeah.
got destroyed.
Yeah, so it's still, 4 years later,
It's still turning.
it's still turned around. So this is the deal you've got right now. You bought this place. There's some commercial right here on this corner.
Correct.
Then it starts residential as it goes down that way. So let's talk about this a little bit, and then we're going to do a quick walkthrough. It's right now. It's like a 3-bedroom, 1 bath,
One bath.
pretty small, compact. What would you say this thing is? I mean, it's not even 1,000 feet.
Yeah, it's 886.
yeah.
Yeah.
800. No garage.
No
so they're just
garage.
on-street parking.
On-street parking.
You got a little bit of space kind of behind back
Exactly,
there.
a little patio.
Yeah.
We're about to make that bigger though.
Okay, you bought this thing, and what kind of condition was this in?
I mean, it was on fire. It had the outside elements, trees and grass, everything grew inside. So it was chaos. But
And how'd you find this deal? Who was the seller?
I was actually walking around on vacation. I was vacationing at a friend's house close by, and I was just running because my wife got tired.
Yeah.
And I said, let me take advantage so I can walk for dollars, I guess,
Yeah.
not drive. And then I
Walk for
found
dollars.
the letter, the sign, and I called the realtor.
There was a sign on the door, like
on
a bio?
here, like
Oh, okay.
here. And I was surprised. She showed it to me the same day.
Yeah.
And I said, let's do it.
Let's make an offer.
Yeah.
Okay, so you made an offer, and do you mind sharing numbers?
We bought it at low 50s
Okay. So you bought it in the 50s.
cash,
Uh-huh.
and we've
And
got
what's your
already
budget?
about
What's your rehab
40
budget?
grand on it.
Okay.
So-
And that includes a lot, right?
Total.
So you had roof.
It was a new roof,
Yeah.
paint, exterior,
All new floor.
all
You
new
had- you had to do
floors,
cement work,
subfloors,
subfloor.
plumbing.
So here in Puerto
electrical.
Rico, it's all cement. There's no drywall,
no drywall.
no wood. How are your cabinets? What are they made out of?
PVC.
PVC
And
is
we're
a really
actually
big
making
thing
a
out here.
handmade.
Yeah.
Custom,
Handmade.
so
That's cool.
Nobody's got those.
And all tile, like you do the
All
whole
tile.
the whole floor tile. I
All
see
the
you
floor
picked like a
tile.
nice neutral gray.
Yeah.
So all in with electrical, plumbing, bathroom, all roof. tile, kitchen, about 40,000 rehab budget. So put y'all in around 90.
90.
And what do you think if you flip this? What do you think your number would be?
Well, we've had
What's your ARV?
a few individuals already offered 350.
350.
So
David, those are some amazing margins. I mean, like there's the formula, and then there's what you're doing.
yeah. So hopefully, God willing, if it works out. But I really want to hold it. The idea was an Airbnb, but if we flip it, those are great returns.
So let's talk Airbnb, because I just bought one over in Palmas del Mar, a condo above the plaza. What is something like this? What do you think it would go for on nightly?
Oh, at least 150. I've already built a community.
So you would get, let's say you do 150 a night. You could put beds in here. You could probably sleep what, 8 to 10 in here.
See,
maybe?
that's the clue.
Yeah.
Less is better.
Okay. Less. Okay.
Now,
but you got 3 bedrooms.
We have families.
Yeah.
So the idea was to convert this into 2 individual units, one front entrance and one back entrance.
How would you get to the back?
There's an alley, through the back.
So you do the back, so rent by the room.
Kind of, sort of. It'll be 2 studios.
So you'd have to do 2 kitchens.
Exactly.
Okay, but you could.
So that's in the works right now.
Thinking about it. All right.
But you want, families are awesome, but also things break.
Yeah. So you could do overnight. You could flip it. Now, who would your buyer be? Just someone that wants it for residential or commercial?
It could be both. Right now, we're actually working on changing the permit to residential because this actually was a campaign house for the ex-governor, Vicky Rosselló.
Okay.
So there's a lot of history here.
Yeah.
You gotta be careful when you say that name.
You're all in here, right? You're going for it.
All in, yeah.
And you like Luquillo.
We love Luquillo.
And you're gonna be hunting for deals here.
And we're gonna be the governor.
Yeah. And you're gonna be my go-to guy because I want to flip here too.
Let's do it.
But I'm having so much fun here, David. I love the island.
We see it.
I walk around here, I go down to the beach, and I see all of this, and I'm just fascinated with why this isn't all thriving real estate, and it's prime for it, I think.
It's prime.
It's time for it to happen. So let's check out your rehab. I mean, there's not a lot to see. It's 800 feet.
Okay, so right here, we have the grand living room. Sofa, TV, nice lighting, and then we broke this wall actually so we can get a bigger feel. Because imagine this was tiny.
Yeah.
So
Broke this wall.
Exactly.
Okay, I see it right here. You open this up.
We opened it up.
Yeah, because you don't want a room right here.
No, it just felt so small that
Yeah.
I mean, so it makes sense to do that.
So I like this because the open concept works on 6,000 feet or 800 feet, right? You want to open up your floor plan as much as possible.
Correct.
Makes it feel bigger. I love your high ceilings. I mean, what are these?
Love it.
These got to be 9.
I think we got 10 because
maybe?
I've got
Yeah.
a tall Mr. Hector came. He's like, oh, I love these.
Yeah, the higher ceilings also make your house feel bigger.
Yeah.
So you got your little L-shaped kitchen right here.
Exactly.
And these are PVC.
PVC.
Yeah. So they don't get moldy, they don't warp.
They don't warp.
Because it's so humid here.
Very humid.
And then what you'll do like a granite or what kind of top? Is this the top?
It's
the top PVC too?
We're actually handmade, so we're gonna put an epoxy. We have a sample that we can bring out, but we're actually gonna do an epoxy that's fireproof. It helps with everything, and also it gives you that granite look.
Yeah, okay. And where's your appliances go?
We're gonna put the refrigerator over here. We're gonna have a cooktop, and your dishwasher.
Okay, yeah, awesome.
Simple.
Yeah, that's
And
all.
floating cabinets.
Where's your sink?
Sink right here.
Okay, so sink under this.
Yeah.
Right at the window. Now, are you putting AC in?
We're putting AC on units on the right side of the house, one in each room.
Okay.
So 12 BTU.
Yeah, so here they do these wall units, not
Mini splits.
Yeah, not forced air. Yeah. Will there be one in this main room?
No, because those will take care of it.
Okay, so if the doors are open, they'll push the air out.
Exactly. And it's nice and breezy around here.
Yeah, that's a great thing.
I love it.
Yeah, breezy. And then you've got, real simple here, you've got bedroom 1.
Yeah, bedroom 1.
Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and then the bathroom on this side.
Now we're gonna do an outside bathroom combination so it alleviates.
I saw that plumbing out there. Yeah.
So that's where I've been taking showers at for real.
Yeah.
But it's gonna dump back so it can alleviate for families that do have 2 or 3 kids. Got one here and one over there.
I shower outside. It's Puerto Rico, right?
It's amazing. I love it. So we got the outdoor patio.
All right, so let's check out your outside. Okay, so you
outside
got your patio here.
Patio.
Is this your property too?
That's property too.
Okay.
Yeah, so all the way to the fence.
There's your outside shower.
There's the outside shower. It's been working wonderful.
Now, will you do anything to make it more private or just?
We are. So
okay.
we're gonna take these away. We're gonna demo these. So
Okay.
make the patio bigger.
All the way to the wall.
All the way to the wall.
Fix that wall maybe.
Then we're gonna put the wood and zinc style fence. So
Yeah.
it'll be private. And then we're gonna have some stairs going up to the patio.
Okay, so stairs up here, patio, rooftop.
Rooftop
Because what do they? How do you finish the roof here? Or they just do the?
We do a seal.
Yeah.
What we're gonna do is that fake grass carpet
Yeah.
to give it a vibe with
Oh
lights.
yeah.
Man, it's
Put
gonna
some
be
patio
amazing.
furniture up there.
Yeah, that brings the price down.
And it's outdoor living, so people, you know, they look at that as additional living space, really, right? 'Cause
Correct. And
the
look at
weather's
this.
so amazing here.
Creep over here. Look at that.
What is this?
Guaraná.
What is guarana? Look at that guy.
Guaraná is a fruit. I think that one's ready. You can take it off.
Seriously?
Yeah, it'll be ready for tomorrow.
Pull it off.
Wait a couple days till it gets soft. Ready to go.
Let it get soft. Just slice it open with a knife.
Yeah.
And what is this called? What do we call this?
Guanábana or Guaraná?
Guanábana.
Guanábana. Jackfruit.
Jackfruit. Okay. And you can buy these like at the store.
Yeah, like $3 or something.
Dude, this is cool. I can take this
man.
home.
Nature.
I could see vacation rental eating this up. You know, you can walk right to the beach.
Oh, guess who's here?
Oh yeah, now we're talking.
Ah.
Anthony, my man. Woo! Look at that baby.
See, the taste test.
That is good. Seriously, that's the best thing. I love peach, like anything peach. This is the best thing I've ever had.
There you go. Teula.
Man, I'm just winning big time here, David. Look at this. I got me a guaraná.
He's a king, living like a king. Where are you gonna get that in the States? Oh, look, there's that panel.
Okay, so very beachy
feel.
Beachy feel.
Now we're gonna go with white and grays, but this is a job that we did for a client.
Yeah, but feel this. It's plastic.
It's plastic.
Yeah.
It's epoxy. He mixes
Epoxy.
it, whatever colors you
But
like.
it's got a granite look to it.
It's got a granite look to it.
Yeah.
It's never gonna fade.
No.
It's heat resistant.
It can take
It can take
hands and
scratches.
scratches. Yeah.
Don't just
What
don't
is
put
this?
fire to it.
What does this run like a foot?
I think it's about, now it went up to about $86 a square foot.
Oh, so it's expensive then, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. this is
The
expensive.
product has gone higher because it's shipped from, China.
Yeah, everything comes from China.
So now, because of the containers being pulled back, everything is costing more. It used to be about, what, $36 a square foot?
So what will your total cost be for this on that little kitchen? What do you think? $1,500, something like that?
It's not about that.
Yeah.
It's about I believe it's about 15 square feet. Or
Okay.
20 square foot.
I mean, that's what you take for granted, probably, right? Or something just to show up.
Exactly.
That's cool.
And the only thing now it's more expensive because of the supply. There's not a lot of supply, but hopefully it'll probably go down.
So we got to tell everybody a real quick story. So, what was it? A couple weeks ago, I'm over on the beach for surf club with my kids. You come up and you're like, Jerry Norton, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So we took a picture and we talked for a minute, and it was just really awesome. And
Yeah.
I really appreciate you watching my videos.
Oh,
And,
yeah, of course.
and learning what you can, and then taking action. So
Yeah.
when I was talking with you, I think you were like, "Man, I saw your Puerto Rico videos about coming to Puerto Rico."
Yeah, he
And
actually
that,
showed it to me. Yeah.
okay, and then that really kind of inspired you to
Well,
do
we
that
took
too.
we took the movie because it happened like at the same time when you posted the video. We kind of knew you were interested already,
Yeah.
so we was like, man, we know what we're doing. So what's the worst that can happen?
Yeah.
Us doing the work. But it was crazy because before we met, I told my best friend, I said, it'd be crazy we just run into Jerry. And then I was just painting, and I walk outside, and I just see you pulling up in the van. You're texting, your wife driving. I'm like, can't be. I was like, Lord. He's like, I put him in front of you. Now I never. So I just drove over there. I said, hey.
That's awesome.
So that's how we did it.
Man, small island, right?
Small island, man.
That's cool.
100 by 30. So
Yeah.
can't
So
escape.
listen, David, let's do some deals here. I'm very
Correct.
interested.
Oh, yeah,
I'd love for you to start bringing me deals. We'll work together.
Correct, yeah.
You know, I think this is I'd love to see some of these vacant, debilitated properties get turned around, see people using them again, and
see,
make them
that's
beautiful.
That's more of a passion, where we have a long line at the Section 8 office with people that they can't find affordable housing. So flipping will be amazing, but we can even flip it onto them, give them ownership. Look, you're from here. Let's make it affordable. Here's the down payment, because the banks here are also tough to deal with.
Tough.
So if we can provide that affordability, I think we can skyrocket. I mean,
and help people on the way. That's
Correct.
awesome. Awesome. Well, thanks for taking the time to show us
Yes,
your
sir.
rehab here.
Hope you like those drinks.
Let's do more videos. I want to see this baby when it's done. Hey guys, if you want to learn how to really get good at flipping and learn how to do it even virtually, be sure to get my virtual flipper kit. Just go to virtualflipperkit.com and you can download that for free. It'll really help you start to learn how to do the business remotely, because you can do this anywhere. I'm doing it back on the mainland while living in Puerto Rico, and David's doing it living in Georgia, right here in Puerto Rico, doing stuff and done stuff in Florida. So when you learn how to kind of open the market up to anywhere, just brings a ton of possibilities. So, and we'll see you on the next video.